Welcome to today's tattoo. We got a super epic one ahead of us. We're doing a one-piece dedication tattoo. It's part of a sleeve. Now we got Gear 5 Luffy, and we got Law holding the heart. This is super incredible. Let's bust out some of our dynamic stencil magic. This stuff is seriously awesome. Let's get it evenly applied to our skin. Now we're gonna bring over our stencil. We already drew and measured this thing to fit the shape. Now we're going to carefully place it, carefully press it down from the middle outward, and away we go. Let's peel this thing off. Look at that transfer, beautiful. Direction, flow, looks great. Now we got this off, and we're going to head on over and start this thing. Alright, we're about 75% in with this tattoo. Is looking phenomenal. He's hurting. We're taking a small break. I put some Bactine on him with some plastic to absorb into the skin to provide a little bit of alleviation for the rest of the procedure. Now let's get it done!